everyone. Welcome to Review Diesel. I'm Jeff, your host and videographer. Today we have a special guest, the man himself, Vinny Himes. We're going to dive into the origins of Review Diesel and learn what makes this channel so unique. So, Vinny, thanks for joining us today.
Absolutely, happy to be here.
So tell me, what makes Review Diesel so awesome?
We can't be bought. So the whole point of this is honest, unbiased reviews based simply off facts. So zero emotion, zero favoritism. It's just honest reviews on parts that I've been installing and selling to customers that I've been using myself for the last 20 years. And there's so much BS marketing in the diesel industry and every industry. And so I'm nobody, just a guy. I've been selling diesel parts, installing diesel parts for 20 years, and I know what's been really good and what's been super junky. And we're not going to bash on anybody, but we're going to really shine a spotlight on the people that are taking the time and effort to do this stuff right.
What inspired you to create it?
Crappy marketing, BS marketing. People call in, they want to order this part. Being a decent, honest human being, you try to talk them out of it, and then they get upset because you didn't sell them what they wanted. So then you inevitably sell them what they wanted, and then you get to deal with the crappy customer service situation when they realize that what they wanted because of good marketing turns out to be bad manufacturing. And so that's what's forcing this channel to be created.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Speaking of manufacturing, you have a strict policy about not reviewing bad parts. Can you kind of explain that a little bit more?
Yeah, I'm just not interested in going down that road of slander or potentially lawsuits or something for saying the wrong thing about the wrong product. We've got the comments section, we got private messages. If you've got a product that you think is a good product and we haven't done a review on it, maybe we just haven't gotten a chance to do that review yet. So shoot us a message. If it's a great part, I will let you know in private messages. If it's a bad part, I'll let you know in the private messages. I'm not interested in making that public.
That's awesome. It's really refreshing to hear. Hey, it's like you said, it's all about trust and credibility, right?
Yep.
Awesome. So you've been doing this for a while now. Any memorable moments or stories you'd like to share with the audience?
Man. Probably the most memorable was the first time I ever worked on a diesel. I was about 16 years old, and we had purchased a brand new Caterpillar TH83 telehandler at the log yard that I worked at. And one of the new guys put gas in it, blew the motor up, and the owner of the log yard was trying to find a Caterpillar certified mechanic to come out to the log yard and work on this thing. We just couldn't find anybody in very rural Montana. And so I ended up getting the book on, back then we called them Chilton's manuals. It's not the same for heavy machinery, but basically the same thing. You can get those from Caterpillar, and I tore the engine completely down and put 4 new pistons in it and had the cylinder head decked and everything, and put it all back together. And the most memorable moment was when it actually fired up and ran. So that set the wheels in motion at 16 years old, that for whatever reason, I'm supposed to be in the diesel industry, and here we are at 40 years old, and we're still in the diesel industry. So it's kind of how we ended up here.
Nice. That's awesome. So what sets you apart from other reviewers?
I watch a lot of reviewers, and not just diesel stuff. I'm into other things: hunting, camping, fishing, hiking. And I see people reviewing things, and then you take them at their word and you go and purchase the thing, and then you get it and it's like cheaply made, and then you find out that they were paid, that it was a sponsored review. And we will never do that. I will never let somebody pay me for a review. If somebody wants a part reviewed and they want to cover production cost or something like that, I could understand it, but nobody's going to come in here and say, hey, we'll pay you $20,000 to give our cheap, crappy part a good review. That's just never going to happen. I won't let it happen.
Awesome. So I've got a quick question for you. How do you decide which parts to review?
I've installed them. I've sold them. I've sold them 1,000 times over, hundreds of times over. One of my very favorite manufacturers in the industry is Fast Fuel Systems. The joke at the last shop I worked at was if you showed up for an oil change, you were leaving with a Fast Fuel System. and it's just a product that sells itself. Every diesel pickup truck, Ford, Chevy, Dodge, from 1994 to present, it should have a FASS system on it. The factory fuel systems, the filtration systems, the low pressure fuel pumps, they just don't last, and they're not up to the manufacturer specifications. So like Bosch makes the injection pump for Ford, Chevy, and Dodge, and Bosch wants 2 microns of filtration, and the OEM filters are 10 to 12 microns of filtration. It's just not sufficient. And so I really like the FASS product line. They're coming out with their new EGR filter systems, which is going to be huge for the industry. And SMB Air Intakes is another manufacturer that I've just grown to really love over the years because their stuff works. It doesn't come back. Their silicone boots do not dry rot and fall apart like some of the other manufacturers with their rubberized boots. Their filters, again, they're silicone instead of rubber, so they don't fall apart. The installation is extremely simple. Anybody watching these review videos can install one in their driveway. So it's just products like that I want to shine the spotlight on. And we don't have to talk bad about the other ones. We just won't review them, and we'll build a pattern, and people will understand what good quality is and where to look for it. And that's what we want Review Diesel to be, is a place that people can go and know that they're not going to get a fake review. They're not going to get a bought and paid for review. It's going to be honest.
What's next for Review Diesel?
Biggest thing right now is we're getting ready to launch our website. So we're building a website, and it's going to be an e-commerce retail website. So you will be able to purchase the products that we're reviewing on this channel from our website. Anytime we do a product review, we will drop a link in the comments below. And our goal is to take you straight to the shopping cart. So you watch a review video, and instead of going out on the internet and trying to search for what we talked about or trying to remember the part number that we discussed, you can go right below these videos, click on the link. It will take you right to the category or the part. So if it's a year, make, model specific part, we'll put you directly into the shopping cart. If it's a manufacturer that we're reviewing, we'll put you into a landing page for that manufacturer, and all you have to do is click on your year, make, and model and add it to your cart. So we're trying to get you into the shopping cart as fast as possible, and just make this whole buying process a whole lot easier. And it's easy, simple, and we want to support the sale all the way to the end. So if you purchase a product from us, you can jump back on our website, call us, or chat with our staff that are on the chat. And if you don't know what tools you need, we can literally tell you what tools you need to install the product. So just make it as easy for the end user as possible. If you don't want to install it yourself, we've got a network of shops all across the United States. I've got thousands of friends in this industry. Very few enemies. I don't know if I have any enemies in this industry. I try not to, but I've made really good friends with a lot of these shop owners across the country. So if you buy a part from us and you're in Alaska, my buddy Joe Blackard has a shop there. I can send you to him. I know he's going to take care of you. You're going to get excellent customer service. He's not going to overcharge you. That across the country, California, Texas, New York, anywhere, I've got people that I can refer you to that'll make sure the part gets installed right.
Nice. Well, I can't wait to see that all unfold. What's your next plans?
Get the website launched and then start cranking out these YouTube videos. I mean, I would like to be making one a day, if not one a week. And in the beginning here, I don't have a shop yet. We're getting that figured out. I'd like to start doing installation, how-to videos, unboxing videos, the review videos. And I'm excited to see how people respond to this in the comments, asking for reviews on products. I think that's going to be very fun and interactive. So that's the future.
Sounds awesome, man. Any final thoughts?
No, I just keep an eye on the channel. We're going to keep hammering content out. And today was just kind of an introduction video. And once we get the website live, we'll start slinging videos and slinging links, and look forward to you guys' recommendations, constructive criticism. We're literally starting with nothing. So we're recording this with an iPhone, and hopefully this is successful, and next videos will have some nicer gear and a better backdrop, but we're working with what we got.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Vinny. It's been fun chatting with you, and thank you to all the viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews. See you next time.